Press the bell icon to never miss an update from placement interviews.
Hi guys, this is Sunidhi from Placement Interviews, and today I'm here to share with you a list of websites that you can refer to for preparing aptitude for your placements. Placements are a very stressful time for any student, so we are not here to stress you out, but we are going to tell you that most of the companies that are going to come to your campus, that are your dream jobs, outsource their first round, that is aptitude, to other companies, and these companies have their own websites and you can go there to refer to what kind of questions they put up in their aptitude test. So in this video we'll share to you a list of websites where you can go and prepare your aptitude. Also, we are calling out people to give their interviews. Please reach out to us on our email ID or comments below or on our social media handles. Till then, I hope this video is helpful for you. AMCAT. AMCAT is used by most of the biggest companies in our country, including Samsung, Consniat, Sapient and Flipkart. You can go on Prep Insta or their official website to prepare for their tests. They have sections and they have material on every section on their website, so you can go to their website and get prepared and charged for all your placements. E-Litmus is used by most of the mechanical and core companies. Their testing patterns involve quant, verbal and reasoning, and you can prepare for them on their website. They have a negative marking rule which you should be very aware of while sitting for their tests, and you can go to their websites to check out all the rules, and also I'll be linking all the links in the description so that you can go and get your prep on. HirePro is one of the biggest companies on our list, and they have a software-based recruitment mechanism where you'll have to sit for an online exam and it will shut off if you try to act smart. I'll be mentioning their preparation links in the description, so go check them out. TRAC is used by the biggest companies in the software world, including Microsoft and Accenture. One thing to keep in mind while preparing for it, that you pay equal attention to all the sections and not think, if I have prepared that section well enough, I can score in the other section, because that simply does not work. They pay equal amount of attention to all the sections and you won't pass if you have flunked any section. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also click on the notification button to get the notifications for all our awesome sauce videos. I'll be putting the links to all the websites that I mentioned in the video in the description. Also, I will be linking various other websites where you can go and prepare for the different sections of the placement procedure, and I hope they help you. Please mention us if you have used our content anywhere. Also, please reach out to us if you want to be interviewed or you want us to visit your campus. We'll make sure that we do it ASAP. Till then, I hope you enjoyed this video and this is really helpful. Keep watching.